Introducing Dallas's newest luxury building. This 27-story masterpiece is located in the Design District near downtown and uptown. These modern apartments are stylish and functional with studio, 1- and 2-bed layouts. Lofty open spaces with updated kitchens and large windows with skyline views. Some apartments come with custom closets and balconies. The high-end features really make these apartment homes stand out above the rest. The studios are quite spacious, with a sliding bedroom door. The large gym has everything you could want, including a yoga room. Every foot of this space has been thoughtfully designed, including the co-working space. The on-site restaurant and cocktail lounge will be completed soon. Contact Real Cool Apartments for up-to-date pricing and to schedule a tour.